Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use mood tracking in Finch app. Finch is your interactive digital companion designed to support habit building, productivity and personal growth. While Finch previously featured automatic mood tracking, recent updates have replaced this with manual mood logging through the name your emotion exercise and customizable daily goals. Today we will demonstrate how to track your mood effectively in Finch, ensuring you maintain awareness for your mental well-being. So first you need to launch your Finch on your phone, and on the home screen you will see the Finch paid daily stats and navigation icon in the bottom. You need to look for the three-lined icon in the top left. Over here you need to select my self-care on the profile dashboard. Over here you can select start a new area. Over here scroll a bit down, and if you do not find a mood tracking you can select create my own area on the bottom. Here you can name your emotion exercise, your mood tracking, your happy, neutral, sad, or optionally a note describing why you feel that way. And after you're done you can tap save, and you can also add a goal if you want to. You can also combine mood logging in with your daily goals and reflection, creating a complete productivity and emotional tracking system. While Finch no longer prompts automatic mood tracking, you can still effectively monitor your emotional well-being using the name your emotion. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.